the Insta-Success Chronicles. In this episode, we're going to talk about the incredible journey of Tana Rain, American model, Instagram star, and TikTok sensation. Born on June 15, 1998 in Orlando, Florida, USA, Tana Rain has been captivating audiences with her irresistible social media content since the age of 26. Began her journey by launching an Instagram account in 2013, captivating viewers with her stunning poses and modeling talent, especially in bikinis and lingerie. She has also been signed as a model by several brands to promote them on their social media accounts. She also has a TikTok account where she shares interesting videos such as dancing, lip-syncing, modeling, and more. With a net worth between $100,000 and $1 million, Tana is thriving in the modeling industry, earning from both her modeling career and lucrative promotions. Watching Insta-Success Chronicles. We've explored the amazing life of Tana Rain. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories about Instagram's top models. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for the next installments of the Insta-Success Chronicles. Stay inspired, stay stylish, and follow your dreams. See you next time.